at the right time. It literally just downpoured. And I am perfectly dry. Alright. Mother Nature, you have a way with things.